Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Fifth Third bank account. So follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in www.53.com. It will take you to the official website of Fifth Third Bank, and over here in this interface, click on the login button that is at the top right corner and choose your account type and enter the user ID of your account and enter the password of your account in the password section and click on login. You will be logged into your Fifth Third bank account, and in case if you guys forgot your login credentials, click here forgot login to reset it. And if you guys are a first time user, click here on register to create a new account on Fifth Third bank bank. So this was for this video. This is all about logging into your Fifth Third bank account. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.